You've landed on the Within Subjects database webpage of Research Engineer. This type of database is used when you're comparing multiple observations of an outcome across time or within subjects. As you see here, the structure is done in a side-by-side format, which makes logical sense in terms of a computer analyzing data because you're comparing this mean at this observation of the outcome to this mean or observation of the outcome, and then to this one as well. There's a side-by-side format when structuring this type of database. The first thing that you want to do is always create a unique numerical de-identifier for each participant in your database. Then, directly in the next column, enter a baseline measure, in this case score 1, enter the value for each participant, and then directly next to it in the next column, the second observation of the outcome with its respective values. And then if you were to take a third or maintenance observation of your outcome, just go over here to the next column and enter the values accordingly. Be sure to create a codification scheme or code book along with your database so that you'll be able to identify variable names, their respective scales of measurement, and then also what types of analyses you may want to be running with your database. You can click on the button Download Database right here. And you have access to a free pre-formatted database that runs all of these tests that are stated here. One sample test, McNamara's Wilcoxon, paired samples t-test, Cochrane's Q, Friedman's ANOVA, repeated measures ANOVA, as well as all 6 different types of correlations. If you hover over the variable names, there's an explanation as to what each type of variable needs to be collected and how it's used in your analyses. Further, you can click on Download Codebook and here you have access to a codebook that can be created concurrently with your Within Subjects database. And as you can see here, there's the side-by-side format of doing observation 1, observation 2, and observation 3. And then feel free to click on Statistics or Research Engineer homepage to move forward in Research Engineer.